Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube app when it's not showing comments. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your app is up to date. For this purpose, let's go ahead to the Google Play Store. Then at the top in the search bar, you simply have to search for YouTube. From here, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of YouTube app. As you guys can see that it is showing me open, it means that I'm using the latest version. Otherwise, if it says update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible. Updating your app allows you to get rid of any of the bugs or any of the lags. Anything that is wrong with the app is fixed in the next update. So you always have to make sure that your app is updated. Once you will update your app, your problem will be fixed. But if unfortunately you are still encountering that problem, you simply have to go to your phone settings. Here you have to scroll down a little bit and tap on the app. From the apps, you simply have to search for YouTube. Once you are on the YouTube information page, simply tap on where it says storage and cache. From here, you simply have to clear the storage and clear the cache for the YouTube app. It will fix all the glitches or bugs with inside the apps, and you'll get a new and fresher version of the YouTube, and after that all of your problems will be solved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.